Converting numbers from one base to another, example, from base 2 to base 10 is quite simple if you follow these methods.
And we take the question of it. It says, convert the binary number 10110001 base 2 to a number in base 10. What's your solution? Okay. What I'm asked to do, we are asked to convert one, write the number down, 1 0 1 1 0 0, finally 1 base 2 base 10 to base this 10 to base 10. Okay, so we start. We expand this number in the power of its base first. That's how we start. We start with it. So now say 1 we start with this 1 times this 2 plus 0 times this 2. We are trying to expand this number in the power of its base, which is base 2. So I continue. Say plus 1 again, 1 times 2 plus this 1 times 2 plus now to 0 times 2 plus the last 0 times 2, finally plus the last 1 times the base, which is 2. Okay, now we have expanded this number. We have expanded it in the power of its base, which is base 2. Now I begin to give powers to the bases like this. I start with this one and I start with 0. Come to this 2, 1. Come to this 2, 2. Come to this 2, 3. Come to this 2, 4. Come to this 2, 5. And come to this 2, 6. Okay, 6. Okay. Now I evaluate it. I say 1. I start with this one, 1 times 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. So 1 times 64 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. We'll be dividing it with 2 now. Write the plus. 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So this one is 16 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 3. Now you can guess. It should be 8 because 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay? 8 plus this one, 0 times 2 raised to the power 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. Also, anything raised to power 1 is still the same thing, the same number. So, write 2. Finally, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Okay? We continue. Come to this side. See, we evaluate. We are still evaluating. See, 1 times 64 give us 64. Add the plus. 0 times 32. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So this one give us 0. Plus 1 times 16. Anything multiplied by 1 is the same number. So this one give us 16. Plus 1 times 8. As I said earlier, it will give us 8, because 1 times 8, 1 times anything is still the same number. Plus 0 times 0, it shall be 0 times 4 will give us 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Plus 0 times 2, 0. Plus 1 times 1, 1. Okay? We continue. We start at this end again. Now we sum up all these numbers. We sum them up. We get their sum. So we start with this 64. 64 plus 0 is 64. 0 is nothing. Plus 16 gives us 80. Plus 8 is 88. Plus 0 is still 88. 0 is nothing. Plus 0 still 88. As I said earlier, 0 is nothing. Plus 1 now is 89. So the sum of all this number is 89. 89. Base words. Remember, we are asked to convert 10110001 in base 2 to a number in base 10. So it will be in base 10. Base 10. Base 10. Yes. 89 base 10. We have reconverted this 89 that we convert to base 2 in the other section. We have reconverted it back in this section to base 10. Yes.